On today's podcast, we'll be covering week 3 of 4 on worker safety, so stay tuned.
Welcome to Warehouse Safety Tips. If you're a seasoned vodcast viewer, this vodcast is going to be different from most that you watch. It's based around exactly what the name implies, warehouse safety tips. And since the people in this industry are busy, we know that time is money, so each episode will be as short and to the point as possible. And now, with all that out of the way, let's get to the vodcast.
As someone who has worked in factories and warehouses, I know firsthand how crucial good air quality is in our workplaces. Let's dive into some key strategies to keep our teams breathing easy. Number 1, mix it up. Natural and mechanical ventilation both have their place. Windows and vents are great, but remember to strategically place fans and AC units where needed. Number 2, stay on top of maintenance. Regular checks and filter changes just aren't busy work. They're the backbone of a healthy ventilation system. Number 3, listen to your team. Your workers are on the front lines, and their feedback on air quality is pure gold for identifying problem areas. And last but not least, number 4, remember one size doesn't fit all. What works in the office might not work on the production floor. Tailor your approach to each area's unique needs. And as always, be sure to follow the rules and regulations of your specific facility. This ensures that you're on the right track and your actions are contributing to a safe and compliant workplace. By prioritizing good ventilation, you're not just ticking a box, you're creating a safer, more comfortable workplace for everyone. Stay vigilant and keep the air flowing. Thank you for being part of another episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. Until we meet next time, have a great week and stay safe.
Before moving on, here's a word from one of our sponsors. If you've ever been to or worked in a warehouse, you know just how important safety is to both management and staff. It's almost impossible to go 10 steps without seeing safety tape, angles, signs, and/or safety products. It's these items that show us how to be safe and avoid danger in the workplace. And if you're looking for the best products to make this happen, look no further than Mighty Line. Mighty Line floor signs and floor markings offer the best industrial products out there. We're proud to have Mighty Line as the official floor sign and floor marking company for the Warehouse Safety Tips podcast and site. Go to mightylinetape.com/safety tips to request a sample pack of their incredible safety signs and floor markings. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. If you visit warehousesafetytips.com, you'll find the show notes for this episode and access to all of our blog posts, previous podcasts, advertiser information, and much more. Thank you for listening to Warehouse Safety Tips and have a safe day.